Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best are slides is probably one of the most comfortable and stylish footwear options for women. These slides are perfect for a casual day out, a trip to the beach, or simply lounging at home. With their sleek design and durable construction, our slides offer both fashion and functionality. Whether you're looking for a gift or a treat for yourself, these slides are a great choice. Number 5. CELERSPORT 6 Pairs Ankle Athletic Socks. These athletic socks are designed for ultimate comfort. They are perfect for running and other sports activities, keeping your feet dry and comfortable. The low-cut design provides excellent ankle support. It helps to prevent blisters and ensures a secure fit during any activity. Made with breathable fabric, these socks keep your feet cool. The material wicks away moisture, preventing sweat buildup. These socks are designed for both men and women. They come in a variety of sizes to ensure a perfect fit for everyone. Whether you're running, playing sports, or just working out, these socks are a great choice. They provide the support and comfort you need. What we like? These socks feature breathable mesh, keeping your feet cool and dry. They also offer arch support for all-day comfort. If you're looking for socks that provide both breathability and support during your runs or workouts, you should consider these. What people say. They stay in place while wearing with shoes. Fit is perfect. Quality is excellent. Color is on point. They stay in place. They do not slide down, which prevents blisters. They are thick but also let your feet breathe. Number 4. Weweya Pillow Slippers, adjustable slides for women and men. Are you looking for ultimate comfort? These Weweya pillow slippers are designed for both women and men. They offer a cloud-like experience for your feet. These slippers feature a unique pillow design. The EVA material provides exceptional cushioning, making them perfect for all-day wear. The double buckle design allows for a customized fit. You can easily adjust them to your liking, ensuring a secure and comfortable feel. Whether you're at home or by the pool, these slides are a great choice. They are easy to slip on and off, offering convenience and style. Treat your feet to the comfort they deserve. These Weweya pillow slippers are the perfect combination of style and relaxation. Get yours today. What we like? These sandals feature a double buckle design and adjustable straps for a customized fit. The EVA flat sandals provide comfort and style. If you like a sandal that can be adjusted to your feet, this is the one for you. What people say. The slides are very comfortable. They are perfect for everyday wear. The design is very stylish. Number 3. Leevar Cloud Slides, soft, comfy, non-slip slides. Are you looking for ultimate comfort? These slides are designed for both men and women. They are perfect for relaxing at home or by the pool. Experience the cloud-like softness with every step. The thick sole provides excellent cushioning, making them ideal for all-day wear. Safety is a priority. The non-slip design ensures stability on various surfaces, whether you're in the shower or at the beach. These slides are incredibly easy to maintain. Simply wipe them down, and they're ready to go. Perfect for your busy lifestyle. From showers to swimming, beaches to indoor use, these versatile slides are your go-to footwear. Grab a pair and experience the difference. What we like? These cloud slides have a thick sole and a non-slip design. They are soft, comfy, and easy to clean. If you are looking for a pair of slides that are perfect for the shower, swimming, or just relaxing at home, you should consider these. What people say. The slides are very comfortable. They are perfect for everyday wear. The design is very stylish. Number 2. Lutron Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch Kit. This is the Lutron Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch Kit. It allows you to easily control your lights from anywhere. It connects with more smart home devices than any other smart lighting control brand. With the included Pico remote, you can wirelessly control the lights. It works up to 30 feet through walls and has a 10-year battery life, offering convenient control. One Caseta Smart Dimmer switch can make multiple lights smart. This allows you to save money and keep your bulb styles open by putting smart lighting at the switch. Manage your lights from anywhere with the Lutron app. You can control lighting and use advanced smart features such as scenes, scheduling, and geofencing. It offers comprehensive control at your fingertips. The Caseta Deluxe dimmer switch has a sleek, modern design. It allows you to turn your lights fully on and off, with additional buttons to raise or lower the light level. The Caseta Smart Hub works without Wi-Fi, providing fast and reliable smart lighting. It ensures your smart lighting works without slowing down other Wi-Fi devices. The kit includes a Lutron Caseta Smart Hub, 2 dimmer switches, 2 Pico remotes, and 2 wall plates. It provides everything you need to get started with smart lighting. What we like. This smart dimmer switch kit includes a smart hub, allowing for remote control of your lights. It also works with Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Home. If you want to make your lights smart and control them from anywhere, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It was very easy to install, even for the 3-way switch. The included plate covers hide the screw holes, giving it a more modern and clean look. With the app you have complete control of every switch individually, thanks to the tiny hub that ties them all together using its own wireless network. Number 1. KuaiLu Women's Orthotic Arch Support Slippers. Are you tired of uncomfortable slippers? These KuaiLu slippers are designed with orthotic arch support. They provide the comfort and support your feet deserve. These slippers feature built-in arch support. It helps to alleviate foot fatigue and provide all-day comfort. You'll feel the difference with every step. These slippers are specifically designed for women's feet. They offer a perfect fit and superior comfort. They are the perfect choice for relaxing at home. With KuaiLu slippers, you'll experience a new level of comfort and support. They are the perfect combination of style and functionality. Treat your feet to the best. Don't wait any longer to experience the comfort of these slippers. They are the perfect addition to your footwear collection. Get yours today and feel the difference. What we like. These slippers provide orthotic arch support for all-day comfort. They are designed to be soft and supportive. If you have foot pain or need extra arch support, you should consider these. What people say. The slides are very comfortable. They are great for wearing around the house. The design is very stylish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.